So today I signed an emergency declaration, a proclamation in preparation of the storms that are already coming in tonight, and of course will be here in force on Sunday and Monday. This tropical storm Hillary. We have 7,500 now personnel dedicated in Southern California, close to 4,000 CHP, 2,000 Caltrans workers, mutual aid, all across the region, making sure that people are safe and making sure people are vigilant. Please, please listen to emergency personnel, local officials. Take seriously debris flows and floods, flash floods.
Meanwhile in California.